Hi, friends. India has always been a super fascinating country. I don't think there's a single country in this world that is as diverse as India. Even though today it's known as a developing country, it has an illustrious and amazing history. So, today, let's shed light on facts that will make you feel proud to be an Indian. Ancient India. India is one of the oldest civilizations. Ancient Indians were far more advanced than you can imagine. Firstly, they were very learned. They had a lot of knowledge about the solar system. The fact that the earth was not in the center of the solar system and that it was the sun instead was very well mentioned in the Rig Veda. Ancient Indians were the first to mine a diamond. They also established universities such as the Nalanda and Takshashila that were centers for education, attracting even foreigners to visit India. Nalanda was known to have had the largest library of books during the ancient times. Bollywood. Ask any foreigner about what they know about India, and the thing that they almost certainly mention is Bollywood. Apart from Bollywood, even regional language movies are gaining momentum, such as Tollywood, Collywood, Mollywood. India is the sole country in the world to produce and release the largest number of movies every year. The number amounts to about 1,800 per year. Milk. Today, India is the world's market leader when it comes to milk. It is also home to the world's largest number of livestock, like cows and buffaloes. As of 2020, India accounted about 33.38% of the world's livestock. But despite this, can you believe India was a milk deficit country in the 1950s and 60s? Thanks to Mr. Varghese Kurian, who brought the white revolution into India, that not just made India a leader in milk production but also offered the largest opportunities of rural employment. Space exploration. People often would underestimate a country like India to ever accomplish pinnacles of success when it comes to super high expenditure activities like space exploration. But the Jugaad mindset, or in other words, resourcefulness and intelligence of ISRO, made India the first country in the world to discover water on moon through the Chandrayaan mission. Can you believe this is the same country that launched its first rocket in 1963, and that rocket was carried on a bicycle, and few years later it launched 104 satellites at one time, beating Russia's record and even setting a world record. The land of inventions, be it chess, snake and ladders, carom, kabaddi, yoga, mathematical concepts such as zero, trigonometry, decimals, algebra, calculus, the value of pi, a USB, Ayurveda, plastic surgery, cataract surgery, cure for leprosy, weighing scales, flush toilet system, buttons, spinning wheels, wireless communication, cultivation of jute and cashmere cotton, even an everyday shampoo that you use. Legit, all of this was invented or discovered in India. What more can you ask for? Manufacturer of CEOs. See, one thing's clear. How much ever you try to hide, you can never really hide a diamond's bright glow. Similarly, the world has always acknowledged Indian talent. That's why many foreign companies have Indian CEOs. For example, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, Indra Nui, CEO of PepsiCo, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, Shantanu Narayan, CEO of Adobe, Ajaypal Singh Banga, President and CEO of MasterCard, and the list can go on and on. Besides CEOs, India is also the second largest producer of engineers and scientists in the world. So, friends, I hope this video gave you valuable insights on how important India as a country is and the valuable contributions it has made towards this world. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. And I will see you next time. Thank you.